17 to 1. So yes, the mid-17 before you helped bring our warfighters home and helped create the phenomenon we all know as Top Gun. And now, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention to the runway as Randy Ball prepares to depart in the MiG-17F. Check out the unique afterburner shooting flame out the back of this historic jet, and watch what only the #1 rated jet fighter pilot in North America.
Right end zone. Randy's making his final checks in the cockpit of that MiG-17. Randy is the premier jet demonstration pilot in the world today. He's performed over 1,700 performances, and actually last year he completed his 18th primary enemy aircraft engaged in the skies of Vietnam by U.S. aircraft such as the A-4 Skyhawk, the A-7 Corsair, the F-8 Crusader, the F-100 Super Sabre, the F-105 Thunder Chief, the B-52, and its primary nemesis, the F-4 Phantom. Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Ball in the MiG-17. That's Randy Ball in the photo pass. Beautiful display of the airplane. High-speed review from your right. Let's watch Randy Ball. The plane is coming out. He lights the afterburner. Keeping it in there tight. He's pushing Randy down in the seat as he flies it around. Randy Ball's MiG-17 spent almost 4 years in restoration. Doesn't matter. As we watch out there off that right side, you can see Randy's right down on the deck. He is really cooking as he comes down our show line, accelerating out right down on the deck. You can see him. Wow, is he cooking right down the show line, folks. That's Randy. You can see he's really accelerating out here. Randy will be approaching the speed of sound at about Mach 0.9 during some of these performances. Nice top view of the MiG-17 that radically swept the wings. Tag us on all your posts. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Randy W. Ball, North America's premier jet demonstration pilot. And we've got a little bit of an issue here. Randy Ball.
Right by that second inside.
Oh, there you are. Right up there. He's going to try to cut it short.
All right, as we... As you can see, Randy has touched down. He's rolling out here right now. He'll be pulling back into the ramp area here momentarily.
Oh, awesome.